All right, so this orange plug right here with 4 wires coming out, that goes to the headlight. I'm gonna remove the headlight. All right, this is the back side. Next to the big orange headlight, there is this white one right here. So we got the headlight, white one, and then another small orange one that looks like this. All right, those are the 3 on top. Now this is gonna be 3 in the middle. So you have 2 black ones here, 1 gray one here. All right, that was the middle 3. Now for the bottom 2. And so far it looks like everything is different shapes and sizes, so everything should click into place.